Dear students, now paragraph 4. In this paragraph, Charlie starts narrating his journey through the third level. It means in first 3 paragraphs, the writer gives the description what happened to Charlie and what was the opinion of his friend Sam on Charlie. Now, Charlie, the narrator, starts telling about his journey through the third level. How Charlie starts telling? Anyway, here is what happened at Grand Central Station. One night last summer, I worked late at office. I was in hurry get to uptown to my apartment. So I decided to take me subway from Grand Central because it is faster than bus. What happened one night last summer? Dear students, Charlie is telling us one night last summer when he was working at his office, he became very late. And when he became very late, he started thinking to get hurry to his apartment. Then what he decided? He decided to go his home. How he decided to go his home? Choosing subway. It means not through level 1, not through level 2, but through subway from Grand Central Station because it is faster than the bus. Charlie thought when he would choose the subway, then he would reach his home very soon. That is why he chose or he selected that particular thing in his mind. What happened then? I do not know why this should have happened to me. I am just an ordinary guy named Charlie, 31 years old, and I was wearing a Gardine suit and a stray hat with a hangman. I passed a dozen men who looked just like me, and I was not trying to escape from anything. According to Charlie, first he introduces himself. How he introduces? He introduces himself that he is Charlie. He is 31 years old. He is wearing a special suit and a special hat. When he passes through level 1 and level 2, at that time he thinks whosoever people there were or whosoever people there in that particular situation, they were like Charlie. There was no difference. Why? Because they were the people of the modern age. They were the people of the modern world. But slowly and slowly, at that time, he did not make any particular thing in his mind to escape himself. But what happened afterwards? Then, I just wanted to get home to Louisa very soon. My wife, gabardine are smooth, durable, and it will woven washed and cotton cloth. And whichever suit Charlie used to wear or on that particular day he wore, that was to be constructed by his wife Louisa. Then what happened? Slowly and slowly he started going ahead, and with the passage of time he realized and felt the critical situation slowly and slowly. Why? Because when he would reach level 1, when he would reach level 2, and after level 2, when he would go through a tunnel, then he started hallucinating something, and through hallucination, level 1, level 2 would disappear, and he would be in the third level. The third level, it means the 1890s world, as I have told you earlier. Dear students, this is very typical lesson. That is why you have to see my videos again and again to understand the concept and the lesson very well. Thank you.